and I'm gonna start with the back end and with the results where we want to be able to get all the low-hanging fruits for plumbing services, and that can go anywhere from a water leak, a toilet repair, garbage disposal. So the whole idea to go about it this way is to be able to get in for the low-hanging fruits, own the house, and then from there raise up the ticket or be able to upsell to other different services. Now, the SEO, it's an investment. You do pay that upfront, and after this is done, all you have to do is just make sure you keep your good reviews, and you also got to do a little bit of making up with the competition because for plumbing, if you have number one on Google this month, next month is not promised. So you got to keep the hustle.